Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Bella Indriani and I am from class 6F. Today, I'm going to present my analysis of a grade 1 mathematics learning video about addition from 1 to 20. In this presentation, I will explain 5 main aspects: the teacher mastery of the lesson, the teaching sequence, the use of learning media, formative assessment, and the last, the teacher response to student answer. Now, let's begin. First of all, I will presentation my analysis about the material and teaching sequence. The topic addition from 1 to 20 is suitable for grade 1 students. One good thing I noticed that the teacher does not teach addition right away. But the teacher first asks the student if they already know the number 11 to 20. This is a good teaching strategy because it is make sure the student understand the number before learning how to add them. The lesson is also well organized. It starts with greeting the student, checking attendance, reviewing their previous knowledge, introducing the lesson through a simple story, explaining the learning goals, demonstrating the learning media, doing group activity, and ending with reflection. Another strength is the teacher explain addition using a real-life example. For example, the teacher says, "My mother gave me 3 cookies, and then she bought for more cookies. How many cookies do I have now?" After the student answer, the teacher explained, "This is called addition." This approach helps the children understand the idea first before learning the mathematical term. For the second, I will presentation about the learning media is the counting box. Next, I will discuss the learning media. The teacher used a simple teaching aid called the counting box. The student take a question card, place the first number, collect X-shaped objects based on that number. Repeat the same step for the second number, count all the objects together, and finally choose the correct answer. This learning media is very helpful because the student can see and touch real objects. As a result, the concept of addition becomes easier to understand. The third is my presentation about formative assessment and teacher response. The next point is formative assessment. Throughout the lesson, the teacher asks many questions to check whether the student understand the material. The teacher asks questions before the lesson, during the activity, and again at the end of the lesson. One example is where a student named Kayla answered 7 instead of simply saying correct. The teacher asks, "How did you get 7?" This question encourages the student to explain the thinking process, not only the answer. The teacher also gives positive feedback by saying, "Good job." At another moment, the teacher asks the whole class to clap for one group. This kind of encouragement helps students feel more confident and motivated. For the last, I will explain about the conclusion. In conclusion, this learning video shows good teaching practice. The lesson is suitable for young learners. The teaching steps are clear and well organized. The counting box is an effective learning tool, and the teacher used good question and positive feedback to help students understand the lesson. Overall, the teacher focused not only on the correct answer, but also on how student thinks. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.